If you are to believe the report from CNBC, within 2 years Apple will come up with a folding iPhone. The company is currently working on creating next-generation smartphones that will fold, suggested Wamsi Mohan as per the report by CNBC. He is an analyst working at Bank of America Merrill Lynch. Perhaps the time has come when the ideas from pure science fiction become hardcore reality. Up till now things like time travel and flying cars didn't really break the sci-fi world to hit the reality, and so has the foldable phone. But if this report really turns into reality in the coming years, it will be an awe-out moment. However, what is slightly close to this fiction like the idea and still the reality is Samsung Galaxy X, so it cannot really be folded like a paper or cloth piece. And techies from across the world still believe folding the phone like paper is not going to happen anytime in the real. It will only remain a concept and nothing more. Then, what exactly is iPhone working towards? What will it really come up with? As if being speculated, the prospects are of creating an iPhone that will have a bigger display just like the one we now have on an iPad. In other words, the next generation iPhone will perhaps replace the present-day iPad, as it will have a foldable display, giving you sleek and smart, easy-to-handle gadget far more appealing and user-friendly than today's iPad. Speculations are also made on what will be this futuristic phone be named as. Some are suggesting that perhaps its name will be Foldable, inspired from present-day Foldable. Interestingly, it is still rather a matter of debate whether or not this new device will really fold. As Salman Saeed, the product manager of display technology at Qualcomm, says that transistors are the weakest thing in the displays. Thus, even if displays are made foldable, their durability will still remain a thing of great consideration. After all, no one will like to buy a device with durability issues. Yet, it isn't completely implausible, and even if the company creates something closer to the idea of actually folding, it would still be the futuristic device. Also, Apple already talked about an electronic device with the possibility of foldable parts. As it wrote in Patently Apple last November about its upcoming device that may have a flexible portion that allows the device to be folded, the company is surely working on a futuristic device. The same report on Patently Apple also suggested about iPhone coming up with special kind of displays that would work using microLED. This has also surfaced the news headlines recently that Apple is busy developing innovative screen technology. But Apple is not only busy working on its displays using avant-garde technology. It is indeed working on building its own products by going in-house. More powerful batteries with longer and better life, microLED technology incorporated in its brilliant displays are only to name a few of its area of research. The company is expected to invest more in its R&D department compared to what it invested in the last few years. So, thinking the flexibility of mobile phone screens will remain just a concept very soon? Foldable displays will soon make their place in the reality instead of simply staying in the world of sci-fi. Apple already introduced flexibility through OLED-based iPhone X, but speculations say that its next-generation smartphones will also see some really radical design overhaul along with futuristic technologies working behind them. All we have to do is to simply wait for the phone to hit the world. It is expected to be out by 2020.